Hello everyone. Today in this video, I am going to share you some sentences to practice and learn the new words in this spoken English class. Let's get started. There are many disadvantages. Disadvantages matlab hani. There are many disadvantages of living in a big city. Life in it is always full of tension. Everybody seems in a hurry. Hurry means जल्दी जल्दी में रहते हैं. And suffering from worry. और इस तरह टेंशन में वो लोग सफ़र भी होते हैं. Things are always not within reach, but they are available in black market. Facilities are limited. There is always a crowd. Buses and trains do not come in time. They are always very crowded too. Then one can't cross the roads easily. There are big and tall buildings and big colonies. Natural scenes are absent in big cities. Fresh air is not easily available. Everything is artificial.